Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen monthly, I think it's very clear this is a 1-2 and we're still in a big wave 3. I don't even see any evidence that the wave 3 is over. I still think it could very easily continue up, eventually making a bigger correction for the wave 4 and going on for a wave 5, which I still think the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I think is clearly an ABC of B, is going to be the most likely place for this to end right around the 203 area. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, since we had the end of this big wave 2 back here, we have for sure been making higher highs, higher lows this whole way up. It kind of looks like this is a 1-2 right here, and this is all part of a big wave 3 of wave 3. Still making higher lows, still no proof that the trend is not continuing up, and I would for sure, at least until I get a significant break of structure to the downside, continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to that daily time frame. So daily time frame, I mean, we do have the possibility that this right here is a wave B and that this is a wave A and that it could go down and make a wave C, like I've been saying for a long time now. But it's just as easy as that could happen. I could easily picture this making a higher low, and just keep on trending up, especially looking at other JPY pairs. So for me, I am still definitely looking for longs, at least until I get some sort of break of structure to the downside. And even if I do get that break of structure, it's probably just going to be a wave C, and then once that's over, it probably will continue the uptrend again. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up at the end of the last ABC correction. Now this move down right here is pretty soft, but if it does bounce off a fib level after making 3 waves down and makes a nice impulsive move up at a fib level, I will definitely be taking that as a long opportunity, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. Until the higher time frames like the daily and up tell me that the trend is down, I am for sure primarily looking for longs on these sort of time frames. Taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, that definitely looks like we have the end of a correction this morning. Now that should be either a B or a 2. This big push down should either be a 1 or an A. This move down right here very easily could be a wave C, so if it bounces off one of these fib levels, makes a nice golfing impulsive move to the upside, I for sure would know that was a wave C at that point, and I would take that as a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. But I'm not really going to go long unless I see 3 waves down and impulsive up with a nice big engulfing impulsive move to the upside, because there is always a chance this could be a wave B up here and it could end up going down much further than that. So shorter time frame traders, I would definitely be looking for shorts. Mid-time traders, I would be looking for 3 waves down and impulsive up for an entry to go long, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.